Hi guys, my name is Angelica. I'm from Sydney, Australia.
Hi, my name is Anna. I'm coming from Dubai.
Hi guys, I'm Heidi Eisner. I'm from Lance, Nova Scotia.
Hi, my name is Sunny Mulitalo, and this is my wife, Birgit Kufner Mulitalo.
Hi, I'm Caroline, and I'm from Nova Scotia, Canada.
Hi, my name is Alvin, and I'm a digital entrepreneur from Edmonton, Alberta.
Hello, my name is Vesi Krasteva. I'm from Bulgaria and I'm a former restaurant owner.
I'm Captain George Levantis, Senior Manager in a salvage company, and I'm from Greece.
Hi everyone, my name is Crystal and I live in Northern California.
Hello, my name is Jennifer Moore. I'm from Lloydminster, Alberta.
I always wanted to work online and have that laptop lifestyle and freedom.
I didn't want her to work endless hours.
The reason why I started my business was because I was looking for flexibility and I was looking to spend more time with my kids.
I began my digital business so that I could spend more time with my family and less time at the hospital.
To be able to be home with my kids and family so that I can do more with them and I don't miss out on all the fun stuff that they do every day when I'm at work.
I'm doing this digital business because I want to have quality time with my family, with my friends, without worrying on how to pay my bills.
Being away from my family for 60 hours a week is no fun. So I really wanted to make a change for them.
It's very easy business, easy to follow because we have step-by-step training and we have the full support from our mentor, our coach, and the whole community.
When I found this online business, I was surprised how easy it is, and there is also full training and coaching provided.
There's so much support and encouragement in this business with a simple automated system that helps you.
We are very grateful that we came across this business, and at the moment we are traveling around in Europe and having all the freedom to work and earn money while we travel.
Since I started this business, my husband has now stopped all his overtime. After we had our last baby, he is actually able to take off 4 months of work. We bought a new family vehicle and we just booked a family vacation.
This business has allowed us and many more families to really live their dreams and be able to spend it with their family who matters most.
There's life after the 9 to 5 job.
Take a look and enjoy.
Check us out and watch our live webinar and see to it if it fits for you. Thank you.
Come and join us and hope to see you in the inside.
I highly recommend watching that webinar. It has changed my family's life.
Click the learn more button below. Click the learn more button below and get started.
Now I also have full support from my skeptical fiancé here.
Now I'm convinced that this business works.
Go for it.